Yo, what's up guys? Sekwena here. Today is Wednesday, third day of the week, and it's the 2nd of July, so it's the second day of the month. Let me put my Fibonacci tool to see where I'll be looking to sell. So today guys, my bias is sells, so I'll be looking to sell until I see another reversal movement, because the only reversal that I'm seeing now is opportunity to sell. But I'll be potentially looking to sell at the 70% or 60% of the fib, just round about this level here. So I'm looking to sell there. As I said, I think I'm just gonna put my alert there, as I always do. But I will keep on updating you guys on what I think is the next objective for me. So basically, I'm expecting the market to come here and then drop, so that's when it will be safe, and also produce for us, a good place stop loss wise. But anyway, we'll keep you updated. Shout out. Setup update guys. So actually, as I've been waiting for the price to push higher, I've been hit by an idea that why don't I enter right here and push higher with the price, at least eating something to just build a buffer for us, but it's a risky trade, as we don't know. It's not my trade setup. I usually wait for the price to get there, so I'm just thinking, okay, let me just build a buffer. And you can see even the risk to reward, I think it's 1-to-1, so I'm risking $100 for $100. So yeah, hopefully it turns out well, but if it doesn't, it's cool, because I'm entering this knowing the risk. Always know the risk. Always know that are you really confident enough that if you lose this trade, you will still survive. So yeah, I know I will still survive, even if it takes me out and then it goes down, then goes there. I'll still be there to trade again. But anyway, stay tuned for more. Shout out. Yo guys, so we've been taken out of the trade, and after being taken out, I saw that actually the market went down to break the low, the recent low that we had. So I'm not really certain that the market will go back up to my area of interest, but even if it goes, I'm still gonna find another entry to enter. But at the moment, I might enter a sell just now. Let me show you guys. I see this level, it broke this low. Let me show you guys here. So I'm going to take my trade here, but here I'll be using minimal risk, as I already took an L, and this is not my setups, so don't blame me guys. I'm also human. Please don't come for me. Please don't be like, this guy, I'm also human. I'm also, I feel like they need to enter. But anyway, yes, stay tuned. Trade update. So as you guys saw that I executed on this trade, so what I will be doing is cutting down on my risk. So I was risking $80 on this trade, so I will be dropping it around about this level, which is dropping it to like risking $30. So just so that if it takes me out, I'm not crying, because it is not my setup really, and my setup is at the upside there. So I've cut down on my risk, put it shorter, smaller, minimize. Trade management is good guys, so we'll keep you updated. Stay tuned for more. Shout out. Setup update guys. So this is what I wanted. This is what I really wanted, to buy with the markets until the specific area whereby I was interested to sell, and this is what it did. After taking me out, after doing all this bougie stuff, it ended up going there. It happens, but it was not my setup. So what was I doing there? What was I doing there for real? But it's okay. So I see that the market actually gave us a clean retest right here. This is the place actually for me to potentially take an entry, although I would have loved for the market to come just by the 0.236 level here. That's the level that I was really interested in. So it came to the 0.3, which is the 60% zone. So but either way, let me just execute my trade. I'll just use proper risk management right here. Let me put my tools. I'll just put it right here. So the SL could be up there, but I'm just gonna put it just above my week for just lower risk. Yeah, anyway guys, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. I'm posting from Monday till Friday every day until December, guys. Consistency beats everyone who's not consistent. I know my channel is small, but I'm telling you guys, I'll be doing it in front of you guys. Like every day I'm posting, every day. That's my trade. I'm very consistent. I'm someone who's consistent. I never give up. So that's what I'll be doing with my channel, showing up every day, whether I feel sad, whether I feel good, whether I feel excited, whether I have a great day going on that I'm so excited I don't want to even be on YouTube, but I'm still gonna post. Whether I'm taking an L, as you guys saw, I'm taking L's in front of you guys, I'm taking wins in front of you guys, I'm skipping payouts in front of you guys, I'm making payouts in front of you guys. But anyway, we'll keep updated. Shout out. So guys, so we are out of this trade, but unlocked profits. So we took a profit of $40 just right here. I will show you guys my running trade, as I always do. When the trade is deep, I always show you guys my running trade with my funded account. But anyway, also we have news coming. Let me show you guys. So we have news right here in 15 minutes. That's why also I exited my trade and I trade my SL, because I don't want to be trapped in the middle of the news trading problems. Shout out. Yo guys, so actually the news has passed and actually pushed the market to the downside. If I could have held this trade, but at the same time prop firms don't allow news trading, so I couldn't take that risk. But I'll be executing again right here, just adding to my initial setup. I was already in this trade, so I'm just going to take a re-entry here. So I'll be showing you guys my running trades on my funded account. My TP is just way down here. I'm not sure if the market will reach that level, but like I always do, trading my SL, that's what works for me. Anyway, stay tuned. So guys, as you can see, we are in deep profits. As you guys saw that actually I entered before the news, but I had to take my profits. I think I closed on $40 before the news, just for the news rules with my prop firm that I'm trading with. So I entered after the news again, and these are the results. As you guys can see, we are running on plus $350, anyway. Shout out. Update guys, so actually I've traded my SL, as you guys can see, just above this consolidation level, as we are anticipating a New York Open in a few. So we'll see whether volatility pushes the market. Yeah, shout out. Yo, what's up guys? We are in deep profits, and fun fact, the trade ended up taking me out. That's how I trailed my SL. And when it was approaching the New York Open, I re-entered. I took a re-entry and I believed on my setup. Now I'm making I took a profit of $250 on my trailed SL. Now I'm running on 300 and something, meaning close to $600, $500, total for the day. So I'm holding this trade. What I will keep doing is trading my SL. As you guys see, it's dropping. We are in deep profits, guys. It's all about trade management, nothing else, guys. Risk management and trade management will make money in the long run. Yo guys, so what I did was trade my SL, just above this consolidation level. That's where my SL is at. So if the trade just pushes just around that level, it will take me out. Then we are done for the day. Anyway, stay tuned for more. Shout out. Yo guys, done for the day. So this is how we ended up the day. The trade ended up taking me out just right here. Let me just pull this. I wouldn't give today a 10. Today was not a 10. But I did really make money. I'm not gonna lie, over $500, but it was not a 10, could have been better. Anyway, see you in the next episode. Shout out.